How to add note to your Uber Eats order. Hello, welcome to our channel, and in this tutorial I will teach you how to add a note to your Uber Eats order. So please watch till the end to properly understand the tutorial. And if you guys are wondering, you can check out the Uber Eats application using the link down there in the video description below, or you can download it from Google Play and App Store. So without further ado, let's get started. So as you can see right here, I'm opening my Uber Eats application, and after I log in, I can now, for example, I'm going to choose a product or food that I want to eat. So for example, I'm going to choose this Italian Romanos pizza, and right under the list, they will show me a lot of recipe that they offer, and for me, I'm going to choose this one, the vodka one. And after that, it will show me this, and I will need to provide my address, for example, and yeah, my notes. And right here on the special instruction, you can add a text right there. For example, I'm going to add, please get the delivery fast as possible. And yeah, that's it. I can now add this to my cart and proceed to a transaction. And yeah, that's it. And after completing the order, the service will, definitely see my special instruction, and they will know that I need my order to be delivered as soon as possible. And yeah, that's it. That's how you can add notes on your Uber Eats order. And also, that's it for today's tutorial. If you want more, please like this video, subscribe to our channel, and see you in the next one. Bye.